Gemini Crypto Exchange Review, my usage experience. Gemini is a cryptocurrency exchange designed for both beginners and seasoned investors, offering a secure, user-friendly platform with advanced features. Founded by the Winklevoss twins, Gemini is known for its regulatory compliance and robust security measures, making it one of the most trusted names in the crypto space. The platform supports over 100 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and popular altcoins, providing flexibility for diverse portfolios. For casual traders, the simple interface makes buying, selling, and managing assets effortless. For advanced users, the Active Trader interface offers professional-grade tools like advanced charting, order types, and real-time market data. Gemini also features Gemini Earn, allowing users to earn interest on their crypto holdings, and the Gemini credit card, which offers crypto rewards on everyday spending. The platform's mobile app is equally impressive, syncing seamlessly with the desktop version for trading on the go. Security is a major highlight. Gemini employs multi-layered protection, including two-factor authentication, hardware security keys, and insurance coverage for digital assets stored online. While transaction fees can be higher compared to competitors, the premium security and compliance justify the cost for many users. Gemini caters to individuals who prioritize security and compliance, making it ideal for traders in regions with strict regulations. My experience with Gemini has been seamless. Account setup was quick, and the intuitive design minimized any learning curve. The Active Trader platform was a standout, delivering fast execution and valuable analytics for smarter trades. Customer support was prompt and professional, addressing queries within hours. However, casual traders might find the fees noticeable, especially on small transactions. Overall, Gemini is an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable, secure exchange with features that cater to diverse trading needs. Whether you're a beginner looking for simplicity or a pro seeking advanced tools, Gemini delivers.